Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to install Paramount Plus on your Samsung TV. So first of all, you need to press the home button on your TV remote. It'll bring up this menu at the bottom. Now you need to go down to the very bottom and then click on this magnifying glass. Next, search for Paramount in this search bar. Few options will pop up at the top. From here, click on the one that says Paramount Plus Video, and then here on the next page, click on this Install button to initiate the installation process for Paramount Plus app. Sign in with your Paramount Plus account credentials, and if you don't have an existing account, then you need to create a new one. Once you're signed in, you can start streaming all the Paramount video content on your Samsung TV. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.